Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you top 15 free AI tools and applications that you need to know right now. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tool useful and you are friendly to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more free AI stuff like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. If you need free bunch of so many tools as far as AI tools is concerned, consider to visit this particular website right here. superai2.io. That's the name of the URL. When you get to the site, take you to this particular page, you can simply scroll down and see a lot of free AI tools that you can simply click on any one of them and then you are good to go. So you can scroll down and see more tools. The more you scroll down, the more tools is going to load up. There are a lot of tools right here that you can use, and they are updating more tools in the nearest future. Just like so. So you can scroll down, okay? And if you need any of the two right here, what you need to do is to, let's for instance, I need this slider AI. So I'll just click on the link. And when you click on the link, it takes you straight to the official website of the particular AI tool. So just like so, so the official site of this particular AI tool is slideai.io. So it take you right here. So on getting to this AI tool, you can simply scroll down and read details about how you can use this AI tool. So you can text to presentation, topic to presentation. You can scroll down and see what to about this particular website, just like so. Or better still, you can come to the top right here, come to the templates right here, click on free templates. Then after you click on free templates, you see every category as far as this site is concerned. They have business category, education, marketing, workshop, and another one right here are business report presentation, test proposal, etc. So you can also come to the home page on the site, just scroll down and see more tools. So you can scroll down and see more tools. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available tools as far as this is concerned. You can go back to the official web page of this particular superai2.io, and then you can pick on any AI tool that you would like to use. On screen AI tool, this allows you to remove video background. So if I click on it, this is for video editors. So take a look at it. It takes you to the official web page of unseen.com, just like so, and it removes video background 100% automatically free, just like so. Now take a look at it here. What you need to do is to simply click on upload a clip. When you upload a clip, then in a few seconds, it's going to remove your video background without any stress for free. And the supported file format here is MP4, WebM, and MOV, and GIF. These are file formats supported. You can simply scroll down and read more detail about the site, just like so. So you can see it automatically remove your video background and turn it to transparent. You can also change the video background as the case may be. So this is what I have for you as far as top free AI tool and application you need to know right now is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about free AI tools. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.